चलो की गिरफ्त से भगा मैं, एक गहरी सांस लेकर सब भूला भाई, जादू सा है कुछ हवा में। झंझट से दूर हूँ, पड़ोसी की पीटी नहीं सुनी आज, जो करो जो करना नहीं डरना, कुछ अभी भी सोचे क्या सोचे की दुनिया। रहने दो या जाना मुझे घर नहीं, इनको विचारों की है जड़ वही। ये जो चमके तारे मेरे पे पूरी रात, प्रकृति साथ है वो, जो करीब पास नहीं हम गरीब बात में फिर भी जी चारी। अतीत की चादर ओढ़े खोया आज उन गुफाओं में है चंदा, जाके पीछे चिपटा रात, इन पहाड़ों के चमकता जुगनू जैसे तारे लाख, इन फिजाओं में लपक के बांधा मैंने फीता, छाप छोड़े चला मुझे किस किस ने क्या क्या कहा, भटकता रहा मैं सिर्फ आवारा, मैं एक बादल में चलता रहा, गगन बरस पड़ा तो आवा।
चले कर श्वेत पवन का चले नील गगन को, चले नील गगन को।
Wow, so it's already been a year since we started off with this small yet beautiful family of dreamers, doers, and young innovators. As nature healers, what we should realize is that nature is a macrocosmic network of ecosystems, and it is very much capable of reviving itself from all the anthropogenic stresses we are putting on it. What we can do best is to assist it by modulating our lifestyles according to the laws of nature and listening to its signals before they reach its threshold. This was one main principle on which we laid down the cornerstone of this club. And I have seen people evolving into these selfless protectors of nature while being a part of it. We also got the privilege of associating ourselves with varied organizations last session, and I am very grateful to them as well. Apart from all this, we as a team, we learned together, we grew together, we went to all of these places and we planted together. And in this process, we inspired quite some people to take up this responsibility of nature healing. And I'm so proud of the current team for doing this job marvelously well, especially in these times of adversity when environmental concerns are far left behind somewhere. Sooner or later, we will have to face these repercussions, say it for all the single-use plastic paraphernalia we have generated during our fight with COVID, including all the gloves and PPE kits which are piling up in the dump yards and furthering the infection for all the manual workers who will manage it. Why not start by making a change today? We've had an excellent monsoon this year. You can start out by planting a small sapling at your home. And even better, you can join the team and you will be amazed to find some of the most honest, hardworking and transparent people here. Not saying because I've been a part of it, saying it on the basis of my observation of past 3 years. And I'm really glad that we could uphold this level of transparency and honesty towards our work for environment. And I'm hoping that it'll be the same throughout years. Congratulations and all the best for much greater and greener innovations ahead.
This is the moment of achievement that we are celebrating 1 year of GWC. I remember that this club was formed as a small entity of botany department. From there to expanding this club to other streams of college and establishing this as a society, our journey was incredibly adventurous. We all had little experience regarding building a new society, as all of us were new to this. All we had was courage, a little bit creativity and a clear vision for Eco Club, and a lot of overthinking. But most importantly, we have will to fight for our own identity. After making dozens of WhatsApp groups and conducting a lot of meetings, the first thing we want to achieve was recognition in our college. And with our plant adoption project, many students approached us to adopt plants on their birthdays or any other important occasion. This was a big deal for us. Gradually, we start getting intangible validations and recognition from everywhere, as our main motive was to do groundwork on the field of environment, and we did both conventionally and unconventionally.
Happy anniversary, GWC. Being a part of this society was not only a matter of immense happiness but also a matter of immense proud. Happiness because yes, we actually got to do something about the environment on the ground basis than just writing about posts. The plant giveaway drive made me so proud that I can't even explain. I actually found that people actually value plants and value trees, and I am being one of the supporters to do these things. And yes, a matter of proud because yes, actually being the part of the core team as a pioneer, it made me really very happy. It taught me a lot of leadership and also a lot of things about plants, their growth, and yes, the places where they can be found in Delhi. We were blessed with the best juniors, and without their help, the successful completion of this 1 year wouldn't have been possible. Hoping great heights for the society. All the best.
Thank you, GWC, for all what you have given to me. All those memories are something that I'm going to cherish for a lifetime. Earlier, I was a very introverted person who hardly stepped out of classroom, just talked to a few people. But here, I made a whole new family of Green Warriors, the entire fraternity of Green Warriors. I'm grateful for all those experiences which we got at every step when we were grinding for events, doing the plantation drives and planning so that we can, do something effective, stand out, get noticed, because we were starting a society from the scratch. It was fun, we enjoyed a lot, and we saw results, we saw unexpected results. We had never expected that in such short span of time we are going to do this much. The new council is doing amazing job, and I just wish them all the best for all the future endeavors. Thank you, and hail GWC.
Hello Warriors, I am Abhishek Kumar. I had been the Green Warrior since the beginning of this family. Have also served as the technical head for it. It was an amazing experience working with this family. Actually, it's what working for myself, as I live in this world with this environment. Now, today we have completed 1 year of our family. किसी भी टीम की सक्सेस उसकी टीम वर्क पर डिपेंड्स करती है, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस टीम हैज़ इट अ लॉट. एंड इफ़ यू गाइस थिंक कि बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ एन एनवायरमेंटल सोसाइटी कि आपको बस पेड़ लगाने हैं, पौधे लगाने हैं, देन यू आर रॉन्ग. यू हैव अ लॉट टू लर्न फ्रॉम सो मैनी पीपल्स. I have enhanced my knowledge atmosphere, created a lifetime memories, shared love and respect with team. Wishing for a betterment of the team. Henceforth, all the best to all. Keep sharing love with the
everyone. I served Green Warriors Club for 1 year, and it is really hard to forget such strong memories with the best people I have ever known. I am still reliving those days in my biggest dreams. I have learned a lot while working in Green Warriors Club, and I believe that newcomers will rock it. The daily tasks and performances I did has brought me satisfaction, and I won acclaim for that. Serving nature was the best part, and I think the best initiative the members of the Green Warriors have taken, and it is one of those emotional moments where I had to bid adieu to Green Warriors Club. I really miss Green Warriors Club, and I wish all the best to its member and the new